Easy Connect Multi-Purpose No-Dig Landscape and Paver Edging can be used for a variety of applications. It's great for delineating landscape beds, making tree rings, or even holding brick pavers in place for sidewalk and patio projects. And because Easy Connect sections are shipped flat, there's no fighting long, difficult-to-handle coils that seem impossible to straighten and install. Follow along as we show you the few simple steps to installing beautiful, durable landscape edging. Using a spade or hand trowel, brush over the ground where the edging will be installed. Easy Connect Multipurpose is designed to sit on the ground surface, so you don't need to dig a trench. And with a wall height of 1.5 inches, it's just high enough to provide a clean, crisp barrier between your planting bed and the lawn, but low enough to avoid a lawnmower blade. A flat surface is important for Easy Connect Multipurpose to be installed properly. Remove any large rocks or excess bedding material that may decompose over time. This will allow the edging to lay flush on the ground surface and provide a better finished edge. Adding a weed barrier or fabric will help reduce grass from spreading under the edging and into the landscape bed, but is not required. If a weed barrier is part of your plan, this would be the time to install it. Easy Connect Multipurpose edging pieces may come with connectors loose or pre-installed. If the connectors are loose, push the locking connector into one section of edging until the pin locks into place. Align the section of edging that includes the installed connector with the next section of edging. Push the two edging pieces together until the second connector pin locks into place. Once the connector pins have clicked, locking the connector into place, there should be a virtually seamless joint with no gaps or overlapping. Continue connecting all pieces. If you reach the end of your installation and a piece needs to be cut, no problem. Before connecting the final piece of edging, mark where the piece is to be cut. Easy Connect Multipurpose cuts easily with any hacksaw or chop saw. For best results, make straight cuts and avoid cutting through horizontal anchoring tabs. As always, take proper safety precautions and wear eye protection when using any type of saw. Put the connected sections in place and make sure the pieces are laying flush on the ground surface. Look for gaps between the edging and ground surface, which may indicate low spots. Remove edging and fill in any low spots. Once you're satisfied that the edging is laying flush on the ground surface, it's time to anchor the edging into place. It isn't necessary to spike every tab. In fact, most basic installations require only one spike every 24 to 30 inches. Certain installations with tighter curves or paver applications may require more frequent spiking. Push a spike through a pre-drilled hole in the tab on the back of the edging and into the ground. Use a rubber mallet to gently pound the spiral spike into place. Always use proper eye protection when hammering spikes. Although the nylon spikes are very strong and durable, aggressive pounding or use of a heavy hammer can result in damage to the spikes. Sometimes, rocks and roots can make it difficult to fully anchor the spike. Simply remove the spike and try anchoring through the tab on either side of the problem area. Pound spikes until the nail head is flush against the anchoring tab. Avoid excessive pounding as it may result in breaking the spike or edging tab. Once the edging strips are connected and the spikes are in place, you are ready to backfill. Pack soil over tabs and against the back of the edging until you reach the top lip. Make sure the soil is compacted well by either walking or using a hand tamper. Then, finish your installation by adding mulch, stone, or any other bedding material that you prefer. Congratulations! Your edging project is completed. Easy Connect Multipurpose is made in the USA from 100% recycled materials. It is very durable and made to withstand normal abuse from string trimmers. With great flexibility and absolutely no digging required, Easy Connect Multipurpose is truly the easiest and quickest landscape edging you'll ever install.